How you guys doing? Didn't know you were there.
Maybe we'll play.
How you guys doing? This the Boss Star 1. I don't know whether I'm gonna change my channel name to the Boss Star. It's 360 spinning because I also play video games. But I want to tell you guys a little bit about myself. I have waves, and I'm new to the wave game. I used to have waves like way back when I was a kid, and I used to always use like sporting waves and all that stuff. That's before I found out that you didn't need all that unnatural stuff. You could use like curling hinge smoothie and all this healthy stuff for your hair. So right now my waves is kind of flicking, y'all. So I mean, don't fall out your chairs when you see this, when you see my waves. But I cut my hair in April. I used to have dreads. I'm gonna have a before and after picture like of when I used to have dreads in my hair now and everything. But anyway, you know, I know what you guys came for because you want to see my waves. Like I said, I'm new to the wave game, and I cut my own hair too. So you guys tell me what you think. Like I need to get a little better with it and everything. Like work on my hair cutting skills and all that stuff. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do a little unwrapping for you guys. You know what I'm saying? So tell me what you think, guys. You know what I'm saying? Also share this video too and subscribe if you're new. You know what I'm saying? I'm just hoping that my channel can grow, you know, by me, you know, doing waves also. Like I'm gonna mix it up. You don't see too many people that do waves and gaming. So I play games too, guys. So I hope you like video games, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, you know what I'm saying? Tell me what you think. And also I have like a little I have some type of brush. I don't even remember where I got this brush at. I've seen like a lot of other people's videos also, like they use those Toronto Pro brushes, and there's a whole lot of different brushes, you know what I'm saying? I've seen like Nick Wavy brushes, I've seen a bunch of brushes. So I'm still learning about all that stuff. But right now I got my little old school brush and it works just fine. This is my medium brush, and I also have a soft brush. But this brush right here works really good for me. But I'm gonna do a little brush session for you guys, and you guys can tell me what you think of my waves, you know what I'm saying? So let's jump into it. I'm go on a little brush session for you guys. So, you know, I didn't used to know about forks back in the day, but by me doing all my research, I've learned about like forks and your waves and everything. And as you can see, I have one like right here, I believe. Like, let me see if you look at the mirror really fast. Yeah, I have one like right here, you know, in my hair. You know what I'm saying? So I've been trying to brush that out. You know, I know I just have to keep brushing and brushing and brushing. So I've really been working on my weak area in my hair a whole lot. So you guys let me know, do you battle with forks too right now? You know what I'm saying? And once I get rid of this fork, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to, you know what I'm saying, a video how to get rid of forks also. Then go ahead and check out the back of my hair, the back of my waves. I got a little taper in the back. Got a little taper back there. To the sides. You know, I just try to do consistent strokes of the hair, you know. And the left. And like I said, I cut my own hair, guys. So that's another trick I want to teach you guys. Like, to be honest with you guys, I know you're gonna laugh when you hear this, but my first pair of clippers, I got some clippers from Walmart. You know, I didn't know about like good hair cutting clippers or anything like that, because like I said, I'm new to all this stuff. Like I decided that I wanted to cut my own hair. I got tired of going to the barber shop. You know, I can cut my hair how I want to cut it, you know what I'm saying? And by me doing all my research, I feel like I've gotten better. But like I said, you guys, you know, rate how you think my haircut looks. It's a little, I haven't had a haircut in about a week. And also, you know what I'm saying, I've been learning about the woofing stuff and all that. So like I said, I'm new to all this stuff to you guys. You guys may have known from a long time ago, back in the day, I say 4, 5, 6 years ago, I knew nothing about all this stuff. I knew nothing about woofing. I knew nothing about combing. I knew nothing about all this stuff. So I've learned a lot, you know what I'm saying, over the years. But anyway, like I said, you guys just rate my waves, you know what I'm saying, share this video, you know what I'm saying. Like I said, I'm thinking of changing my channel name possibly to the Boss Stars, to the Boss Star 1, 360 spinning or something like that, because right now my channel name is the Boss Star 1. Like, you guys probably don't understand it, but I've had that name ever since way back when I used to play 360. That was my gamer tag name. And it's the Boss Star 1 because I like basketball. So, you know, I'm not number 2, I'm not number 3, I'm number 1. So that's the reason why I got that name. But like I said, I might mix it up, the Boss Star 360 spinning or something like that. So God bless you guys. Don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe. And I'm out of here until next time. Who knows?